Guys, welcome to my study channel, Study Special with Cassius. In previous class, we all discussed about this 10 question and its answer in 10 seconds. Today, we have to go through it. All this type of question, when with addition or subtraction, there is one simple trick. There is a question of 6. Then, you tell me कौन दो संख्या को मल्टीप्लाई करने से 6 आएगा, बट उनकी बीच में जो अंतर होगा वो 1 होगा. ऐसा कौन संख्या है? 2 into 3 equal to 6 and the difference between 2 and 3 is 1. Okay, if there is addition, then you have to choose large number. If there is subtraction, you have to choose small number. Okay, got it? If the question is this type, 6 root 6 minus of root 6 minus of root 6 minus of root 6 infinity, it's applicable only if infinity is given. Then compare these two answer. There is 6 is multiple of 2 and 3, where is the difference is 1. If addition is sign given, then its answer is 3. If subtraction is given, then its answer is 2. Understand? Then go for next question. It is given 12 dash into dash equal to 12 and its common difference is 1. That is 4 into 3. Which sign is given? Plus sign is given. So large number is our answer. Then answer is 4. Got it? Then 20. 4 into 5 equal to 20. But here subtraction sign is given. Our lowest number is 4. 4 is the answer. Okay, got it? Then go for next question. 7. हम इसे कभी भी सेपरेट नहीं कर पाएंगे जिसका अंतर 1 होगा. समझा या नहीं? 6 2 into 3 6, इसका अंतर 1 है. 4 into 3 12, इसका अंतर 1 है. 4 into 5 20, इसका भी अंतर 1 है. बट ऐसा किसी भी संख्या नहीं है जिसका अंतर 1 होगा और उनका मल्टीप्लाई 7 होगा. ऐसे है क्या? नहीं है. तो क्या करेंगे? प्लस addition sign is given. So after 7, that which one is that number which I can separate as this? After 7, 8 can with 2 multiply and common difference 1? No. For 9, it also no. For 10, no. 11, no. But 12 is there. That is 4 into 3 with common difference 1. Then its answer is what? Its answer is in between 3 and 4. If their answer is in question, if their option is 1 3.4, 2 2.3, 3 4.3, 4 5.3, which answer be for this? In between 3 and 4, it is the answer. Okay, got it? Then go for 18. Can we separate as this which common difference is 1? No, cannot. Then after 18, because it is addition sign is there, so after 18, 19, no. 20, yes, it is 4 into 5. So its answer is in between what? 4 and 5. Okay, here is the subtraction sign is given. So before 14, I can separate 13? No. 14, yes, I can separate 12 with 4 into 3, where common difference is 1. Then its answer is in between what? 3 and 4. According to option, you can choose which option is in between 3 and 4. Okay, over. Then another question, type of multiply. If any question is this with multiply and that is infinity times, then its answer is that letter. This answer is 2 only. Here is also same type, that you have to see first. Same letter is here. Okay, same letter is here. It is infinity time. Yes, it is infinite time. Then your answer is 3. Okay. Next, this question. Root 2 multiply of root 2 multiply of root 2. But it is not infinity time. It is only 3 times. Then what should I to do? 2 to the power 4. 4 to the power 8. To the power 8. And it is less than 1. It is to the power 7 by 8. Our answer. Remind. How can I do it? How many 2 is that? There is 3 2. So, to the power 3 to the power 3 minus 1. This is your answer. Okay. Then, root 5. How many times of 2? To the power, understand? Listen, sorry. 5 to the power, how many 2 of 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. To the power 4 to the power 4 minus 1. What will your answer? 5 to the power 2 to 4, 8 to 16. 2 to 4 to 18. 8 to 16. 16 minus 1, 15. It's your answer. Got it? इसका आंसर बनाते देखिए 3 को हम नहीं डिवाइड कर सकते, इसलिए क्या करेंगे, उसके बाद का अंक देखेंगे 4। ऐसे दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई में सेट करना है जिसका अंतर 1 होगा, नहीं होगा, 5 नहीं होगा, 6 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3, that means its answer is in between what? In between 2 and 3. If you ask me that what is the exact answer, then you have to remember one equation, that is 4a plus 1 root over plus or minus 1 by 2. If addition sign is given, that is 4a plus 1 by 2. If subtraction sign is given, 4a plus 1 minus 1 by 2. I said that it answer in between 2 and 3. What is the exact answer? Here a is 3. Then you have to put 4 into what? 4 into 3 plus 1 root over plus 1 by 2. Root 13 plus 1 by 2. Its answer is root 13 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Then go for this. 3. Here is minus sign is given. Before 3, what is 2 digit? Then we can separate as difference 1. That is 1 into 2. That is 2. 1 into 2. Your common difference is 1. The answer is in between 1 and 2. What is the exact answer? For exact answer, you have to put in this formula. Root over 4a plus 1 minus 1 by 2. 12 root 13 minus 1 by 2. Its answer is root 13 minus 1 by 2. Okay. For 2 is separate as what? 2 into 1 with common difference 1. If it is separate, then you have to choose large number. So its answer is 2. It is minus. 2 is chooses 2 into 1 where common difference is 1. For subtraction, you have to choose less number. Here answer is 1. For this question, for this type of question, you have to solve in this path from right to left. Then go through it. What is the root over 169? It is the root over of 13. 13 plus 12, 25. What is the root over 25? Then its answer is 5. Then minus is given. What is the 69 minus 5? 64 root over. Its answer is 8. Then 136 plus 8 root over 144 root over is 12. Got it? Then root over 9 is 3. 61 plus 3. That is 64. Root over 64. Okay. This is root over 17. Again. Then minus 17 root over 64 is 8. 17 plus 8, 25. Minus 5, 105 minus 5, 100. Root over 10 minus 10, 11 minus 10 root over. This is 1. Okay. What is its answer? 3 to the power. How many 3's here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power 5 by to the 5 minus 1. 3 to the power 32, 31. It's your answer. Okay. Your all answer. Okay. Understand? Remember. Listen. Sum of 5 consecutive odd number. What is the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive means two number which have difference 2. If first letter is 3, its conjugate number is 5. Its conjugate number is 7. If first number is 2, its conjugate number is 4. Its conjugate number is 6. Sum of 5 consecutive odd number. It is not for even, it's only odd number. It is conjugate, but here is given that the sum of 5 consecutive odd number always divisible by 5. Understand? The sum of 5 consecutive odd number always divisible of 5. If I let first number is 3, its conjugate number is 5, its conjugate number is 7, its conjugate number is 9, its conjugate number is 11. Its sum is what? 25 is always divisible by 5. What is the mean of divisible by 5? Its the mean is the remainder is 0. Okay. Similarly, sum of 3 consecutive odd number always divisible by 3. If I take 5 plus 7 plus 9, that is 21, 21 by 3, total divisible. Okay. Question. Sum of 5 consecutive odd number is 197. Then find first number. If fifth number is 41. 5 consecutive number. Its consecutive number is 39. Its consecutive number is 37. Its consecutive number is 35. Its consecutive is 33. Then it should 33. No, it is not 33. Because what I said, sum of 5 consecutive odd number always divisible by 5. Here is given sum of 5 consecutive odd number is 197. Is 197 divisible by 5? No, it is not divisible by 5. So this is cannot define. This question is cannot define. Why? It is not divisible of 5. Okay, got it? Next. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 in nth to the nth. Then its formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus ... n square. Then its formula is n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. 1q, 2q plus 3q, 4q plus ... nq equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the power whole square. Okay? Understand? Then question. Look this question. 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 361. This is square of 1. This is square of 2. This is square of 3. This is square of 4. And this is square of 19. I already said before class that you have to practice the square of 1 to 30. Okay? Then, what is the addition of formula of square n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. What is the n here? N is 19, but it is the form of 1 square, 2 square, plus 3 square, plus 4 square, dot dot dot, plus n square. In the place of n, there is 19. So what is the formula? N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Then 19 into 20 into 39 by 6. 2, 10, 2, 3, 3, 13. Then 130 into 19. 247. What is the, sorry. Answer is 247. Okay, got it. Next, go for next question. 1 plus 8 plus 27 dot 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 1331. Okay, it is the form of 1q plus 2q plus 3q dot 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 plus 11q. Okay, then what is the formula? 1q plus 2q plus 3q plus dot 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 nq equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. What is the place of n? Here the place of n is 11. Then 11 into 12 by 2 square. Then 6, 66 square. 36, 3, 12, 15, 1, 37. It's your answer. Okay. Then go for next concept. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. What is it? This is all odd number. Sum of odd number plus dot 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 2n minus 1. What is the last term? Last term is 2n minus 1. 2n is a even number. Even number minus 1. It should be a odd number. Okay. Sorry, I again said that 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 dot 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 2n minus 1. Listen, 2n is a even number, 2n minus 1 it should be a odd number. Then it is the series of odd number. Then sum of series of odd number is n square. Okay, what is the sum of series of odd number is n square. Then go for even number series. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus dot 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 2n. If I common 2, then 2 common with 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 dot 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 n. Then what is the formula? Its formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, here. Then 2 cancel. What is n into n plus 1? Got it? Then go for some questions. Listen. This question. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus dot dot 69. What will your answer? 69. Which place of 69? It is the place of 2n minus 1. Then 2n minus 1 equal to 69. 2n equal to 70. N equal to 39. Then what is the formula? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus dot 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 2n minus 1. Then what is the formula? N square. Yes or no? N square. N square. Then what is its answer? 39 square. 1, 8, 2, 6, 9, 15. Answer. Got it? Okay. Then go for another question. This question. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus dot dot 140. In place of 1, what is its series? Its series is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus dot dot plus 2n. What is the formula for sum of even number? N into n plus 1. What is the in place of n? 2n equal to 140. Then n equal to 70. Then 70 into 71. Okay. 4970. Answer. Next go for this question. 11 square plus 12 square plus 13 square plus dot dot 20 square. What is the answer of it? It means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 20 square minus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 10 square. Okay. What is the formula series? N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. What is the n here? N is 20. 20 into 21 into 41 by 6 minus 10 into 11 into 21 by 6. 2, 10, 3, 7, 2, 5, 3, 7. Okay. Then 70 into 41, 2870 minus 5 into 11, 55 into 7, that is 385. After minus, this is your answer. Okay. Then next question. 15 plus 17 plus 18 plus dot 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 79. It means 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot dot 79 minus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot dot 13. I can write as this. Then according to this, it is the form of 2n minus 1. It is also the form of 2n minus 1. Okay. If 2n minus 1 is 79, 2n equal to 80, n equal to 40. 2n minus 1 equal to 13, 2n equal to 14, n equal to 7. Then what is the answer of it? According to formula, it is the 40 square minus 7 square. 1600 minus 49. Then what my answer? 1551. Okay, got it. Then go for factorial. You have to mean what is the mean of factorial. N factorial means it means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into to the n. 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6. 4 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, 24. Okay. Remember, 0 factorial is always 1. You have to remember this. You know. Then what is the factorial and what is the value of 0 factorial? Then this is the number. What is this? This is 10,000 factorial by p to the power p. For how many value of p it is divisible? There is a simple trick. First is what to do? First is the root of this. What is the root? 100. Second is before 100, how many prime numbers? How many prime numbers? In prime number concept, I already said that 1 to 100, which are the prime number? Before 100, how many prime number is there? There is 25 prime number. Then answer is 25. Got it? Then here 5,000. What is the first process? Root over of 5,000. But it is not a perfect square, but near it is a perfect square. So I can say that it is 70. Nearly, you have to calculate the nearly, but due to it is a not perfect square, you have to calculate the near perfect square. Near perfect square is 4,900, then its square root is 40. Then before 70, how many prime number? How many prime number? That is 19 prime number. Your answer is 19. I already said that all prime number 1 to 100. Okay, you have to watch that video and it is help to know you. Another question. Okay. Factorial by p to the power p. What is the value of p? What is the first process? Our first process is root over this. Root over this is 200. Before 200, how many prime number is there? 45 prime number is there. So your answer is 45. Okay. Clear concept? Okay guys, we meet in our next section. Then, so if you like my lesson, then like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much.